AI is replacing millions of jobs, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. But despite this massive shift, there are certain kinds of work that artificial intelligence will never fully replace, not in 2030 and not even in 2050. These are the 5 jobs that will always belong to humans. Creative strategy. AI can generate images, write articles, and even produce entire videos. But it still lacks something essential: original thought. Creative strategy, storytelling, brand direction, and cultural understanding all come from lived experience. AI can imitate creativity, but it cannot invent true meaning. That makes creative roles some of the hardest for AI to replace. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics. Their work is unpredictable, physical, and deeply human. AI thrives in controlled environments, not in messy real-world situations where every task is different. Skilled trades require real-time problem-solving, adaptability, and hands-on expertise. And for now, robots simply cannot match that. Emotional professions. AI can simulate empathy, but it cannot truly feel. Therapists, nurses, counselors, teachers, these roles depend on emotional presence, human warmth, and genuine connection. You cannot automate trust. You cannot digitize human comfort. And that makes emotional professions some of the most irreplaceable jobs in the world. High-level leadership. Leadership is not just decision-making. It is intuition, vision, and the ability to guide people through uncertainty. AI can analyze data, but it cannot inspire. It cannot take bold risks, and it cannot unite people behind a mission. That's why CEOs, founders, and leaders remain irreplaceable. Innovation and discovery. AI learns from the past, but it cannot imagine the future. Scientists, inventors, engineers, and researchers push humanity forward through innovation, and innovation always begins with a human spark of imagination. AI is a tool, but humans are the explorers. AI will continue to transform our world. But the jobs built on creativity, empathy, leadership, and imagination will always belong to humans. Because no matter how powerful artificial intelligence becomes, the human mind remains irreplaceable. If you want to understand this future as it unfolds, make sure to subscribe. FuturePulse AI brings you truth, clarity, and the deeper story behind tomorrow.